Today we are going to learn how to utilize Destiny Collections. To access Collections, select Catalog, then first go to Destiny Discover. Destiny Discover is another interface within Destiny that features digital collections. So you can see the books, also the ebooks, audio, and it even gives you access to collections. Go to the top left corner and select on the pancakes and select Collections. The main screen of Collections gives you access to public collections, which are collections that people have added around the world. To search in Collections, I'm going to type in World War I. You can use the top search bar up here at the top. Since I'm still searching in my school database, it will pull up my books, audiobooks, and ebooks that I have on that topic first. I can scroll down and search databases and collections, or I can select the collections up here at the top. You can scroll through the public collections and select one and view that collection. Notice that Collections allows you to add a multiple of content. For example, in this one, there are web pages, videos, books, audios, images, and all sorts of other types of content. If I liked this collection and wanted to copy it, I could go up here to these top three dots and copy it and save it in my own school, or I can create a PDF. This is what the PDF looks like. It has every link to every resource on that collection, as well as a QR code to create an easy link. Utilizing this other symbol up here, I can create a link for this collection and share that out. If I want to create my own link, I want to move within Destiny, so I'm going to select Collections up here on the top left. In order to create my own, I have to select Private. I can then click on the plus button to create a collection. I must include a title, so we're just going to call this Test. You can import a resource list if you have at least one resource in the resource list and no more than 100. You have up to 2,000 characters to describe this collection. I would recommend keeping your collection private until you are completely finished with it. Then you can share it at your school site, the district, or out into the public if you would like. Click on Continue, and that allows you to select different tags for your collection. I'm going to select 11th grade and other. Again, select Continue. You can you can select an image color if you want to have different colors per teachers, per students, per content. You can also click on this camera and pick on books that Destiny has selected for you. Then you may go ahead and select Create. To add an item, you can select on this button, but first I recommend going to the pancake bar and selecting Profile. This allows you to install the bookmarklet. Go ahead and drag this, add your collections to your toolbar. Once I have added the collections to my toolbar up here, anywhere I am searching on the internet, so say for example right now I'm searching YouTube book trailers, I can go ahead and select Add to Collections, and it gives me the option to select which collection I want to add it to and go ahead and add this URL YouTube video to my collection. Then I can go back and visit my collection to see what was added. To add other topics to my collection, I just click on this plus button down here on the bottom right. This allows me to add URLs if I have those already available. I'm going to go ahead and add that URL. To read book list, which I love his read aloud ideas. Also on this plus button, I can also upload documents from my Google or my OneDrive. Great feature. Since this is my own personal collection, these three dots give me more options to edit, copy. I can view the activity so I can see if other people have copied my collections and also create a PDF of my own collection. This other symbol also gives me the link to share, but it also gives me the opportunity to invite people to either view or collaborate with me on my collection. To add more resources, I can use the search bar up here. So again, I will search World War I for more topics. Since I am in my school site, it will bring up my book resources first and databases. I can click on any of those resources and add it to my collection. And again, it gives me the option of which collection I would like to add it to. Destiny Collections provides unlimited opportunities to curate and/or share resources in multiple ways. I hope you have fun creating and sharing your collections.